amazing record package, Popeye meets the Beach Boys.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older?
Then we wouldn't have to wait so long.
And wouldn't it be nice to live together?
Me and Olive Oil, where we belong.
Brian, Carl, Dennis, Al, Mike, and Popeye hang 10 together on this amazing record package. Popeye.
We come on this loop, John B.
We pooped at Pappy and me.
And the Beach Boys.
Round Nassau town we did roam.
Order yours now and receive a special bonus package, Pluto meets Bowie.
Save these eyes so green.
I can't see nothing with all that sissy makeup on, you little runt.
Together for the first time, Pluto meets Bowie and Popeye meets the Beach Boys.
Gotta keep those loving good vibrations happening with her.
Popeye meets the Beach Boys on record, tape, or CD.
Reetin' skeetin' sket, skiddly-doo, skiddly-dee-dee.
Popeye meets the Beach Boys from Whitell.
You can tell it's Whitell. It'll never sell.